Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're going to learn about the letter Y. This time, Ladybug will draw an animal whose name starts with the letter Y. Y for yak. Let's follow Ladybug's drawing closely.
Y for yak with a furry back to view from a teachable point of view. Always remember Y for yak in your book from a teachable point of view. Y is for yawn at the break of dawn. When the world wakes up and the night is gone.
Yellow yo-yo spinning up and down they go. Yell out yippee as you watch them flow.
And yonder in the yard the yellow birds sing. Yes, Y is fine, it's a yarn to bring. In the yard the yellow yak yodels away. Eats semis, yelling yo, he starts the day. Y is for yes, it's the word of the day. Yodel along with the yak, come what may. Yummy yogurt and yams on your tray. I for yak, hip hip hooray.